Hi, my name is Anthony Lai-Ferrario, engineer here at Pure Storage on the Cloud Block Store team. And today, I want to talk to you about how to make storage available in multiple cloud AZs using Cloud Block Store. If you're operating storage in the cloud, you'll likely find yourself in a situation where your application is living inside of one availability zone. And if you're operating Cloud Block Store, your setup might look something like this. With Cloud Block Store providing volumes, up to your applications running either in VMs or potentially in containers. The issue that you can run into here is what happens if you face a failure of an entire availability zone. Your storage isn't going to be available to continue through that disaster and operate your applications. What you can do is you can replicate your storage using Cloud Block Store into a second AZ. The way this works is you end up deploying a second Cloud Block Store instance in your second AZ. And then you can configure replication between the AZs and your Cloud Block Store instances using Active Cluster, Pure Storage's zero RPO, zero RTO replication technology that allows the volumes to be present and fully populated on both sides. The way you do this is you create a pod that contains all your volumes on the source array, and then you stretch that pod across to the other AZ and to your other Cloud Block Store instance. What that results in is all of those same volumes being present on both sides. What happens now is, if you lose this first availability zone, if some disaster happens or some outage happens, all of your data is already available in AZ2 and fully ready to go. You can either have your VMs pre-provisioned on this side, or you can provision them at the time of disaster recovery. But regardless of which way you do it, you can immediately pick up right where you left off and continue to operate your applications. This is something that can be very hard to do without a technology like Cloud Block Store. All right, so now you know how to expose storage through two AZs using Cloud Block Store. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.